Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Windows plus R and type PSR to open Steps Recorder. My project is on Paint, so I'm opening MS Paint. Hope you like my paintwork. Don't forget to like my video. Stop Steps Recorder and save the file with the project name. Right-click and extract file. Open the extracted folder. Right-click on the file. Open as Microsoft Word to view your project you have saved. This file contains all the steps and information that was recorded to help you describe the recorded steps to others. You can see all your works has been recorded step by step. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.